My current boots that I'm wearing, North Face, just to where the rubber goes around the boot. It goes all the way around, which was a great design. But right kind of where the boot bends, it cracked, and I couldn't fix it. And it's kind of disappointing. I got some more stuff to try to fix it, but it's just in a point on the boot where there's a lot of wear, and I don't know if it is fixable, but in the current conditions we have right now, it's extremely wet out there. It's a lot of muck and water we're hiking through. So I went and got a new pair of boots. These are KEENs. You can probably tell by the toe design. It's pretty distinctive. These are the Targhee II mids. I'm just going to put one other way here, so they're both the same. One's right, one's left. So that's kind of what they look like. So it's got this nice big loop on the back for pulling it on. I found that was one thing that other boots I've had before lacked. We'll see if that lasts. It's kind of an external wrapping, which is it's different. I wasn't sure if I was totally sold on that or not, but we'll see. They're easy to get on and off, easy to lace up. This is kind of the tread pattern. It's super aggressive, but there's lots of stuff here to give me some traction. At least as far as 3 seasons: spring, summer, and fall. We'll see about. I don't know where these in the winter when there's a lot of snow and ice. As it sits, they're 18 ounces. The pair of these boots are 500